Hello YouTube, RC Exploits here. Got something on the bench here. Hey. It's on Facebook, and gentlemen, I'll post his information somewhere. Anyway, maybe it'd be in the description box for some scale accessories. I've built myself a camper. Put it over here. Got a little camper shell. Of course, got a couple rods and reels. But when you go camping, you need something to go camping with. So let's see what it is. Well, that's something that I ordered extra. Those are, let's go ahead and take them out one at a time then. We'll just start this way. 2 jerry cans, 3D printed, and a 3D printed milk crate. First time I'm looking at them, so this is new to me. They look really good. I mean, they really do. Milk crate is fabulous. And his prices are very reasonable. I think this was like $7 for the milk crate and 2. And there's some weight to them. Very nice detail. Of course, you see the print marks, but that's just all 3D printed stuff. So there's that. And he offered 3 different bundles. 1, 2, and 3. Of course, they had 1 had a certain amount of stuff in it. 2 had quite a bit of stuff in it too. Just had a little bit of different items. And then 3 was a smaller item. I went for item crate number 1. For $24.99. The price is very reasonable. I was kind of curious what it is. The quality, first piece is, and now you can choose colors if you want. I just had him do random. It doesn't matter. If you look at my shed, you'll see all kinds of random stuff. This camera's not going to work. But there you go. It's very nice. Very nice. Handles, nice little touch there. I like the split lid. That is pretty awesome. There's another milk crate. Here is a milk crate with a propane bottle. Looks really good. The detail. You see that the detail on the valve, the regulator, the line, a little burner. That's just, and it comes, I think he sells this as a piece that you can buy just like this. Oh, of course, all this stuff, like I said, I'll put a link in the description box of where you can find his eBay page. He has all sorts of stuff. I just thought that might come off. Maybe it's glued on, but it doesn't matter. I'm not going to put water in it anyway. Igloo water. It's very nice. Very nice. What else we got? Let's just get the bag out there, out of the way. Another Mini Mate. Even says Mini Mate on it. I seen he had it open, so just need some scale ice and some sodas or some bottles of water, and you're good to go. Nice quality. Nice quality. Of course, everybody needs you got to have some way to light up the night. I wonder if that could be done. Tip to somebody. Watch battery, LED. Maybe a twist on. That would be pretty cool. I'm not going to cut it apart to do it. I'm sure everything is being seen. Browning. You can't, it's hard to see that, but it says Brownin, B-R-O-W-N-I-N, Brownin. Got a deer on it. Really nice quality gun case. That is nice. I like that. And of course, little flashlight. Everybody needs a flashlight. Also good quality. And then of course, if you're going to cook, you need some utensils. Little holes so I could, oh yeah, I could put little metal hooks on there and hang them inside my other camper. So you got a spatula, spoon, a whole spoon, got to have the tongs, of course your cast iron skillet, and your saucepan. Golly, it's hard to work on my side here. Overall, looks really good. I'm really impressed with this. Take this camera over. It is really well printed. I'm very pleased. I think it'll, for the money, he should do well. He said he has to print some more. Like I said, I'll put his description and his name, a link to his Facebook, all that in the description box. But thumbs up. Yeah, it is good stuff. But like I said, I think it'll go well with my camper, or camper top that I built, that goes with my Toyota. So here we go. Oh. The scale is right where it needs to be, I think. I think the scale is right where it needs to be. I think it'll go well with this camper. So, I'll just set it down. So there you go. Appreciate you watching, taking a few minutes out of your day to watch this video. If you like it, please click that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. It's one of the few things in life that is still free. And of course, comment. Appreciate all my subscribers, everybody that's hung with me. I know I've been posting a lot of the same, it looks like the same stuff. It's actually different days, but it's what I'm doing right now. I haven't been able to get out with anybody to get out in the real world trailing. So we'll get to it just as quick as we can. Summertime's hit, and it hit pretty fast. Went from winter, very small spring here in Oklahoma. So, but thanks for watching. Like I said, like, follow, comment, subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you.